Better time to level up your entertaining game with food boards. From sweet to savory options, chef and culinary stylist Ashton Keefe has us covered. Welcome, Ashton. Good to see you.
Oh my gosh, so happy to be here. We were just bonding about our shared love of food and
in our past cooking experiences.
Crazy.
Okay, you have me at cheese boards because I love cheese and everything else, but you say this is the ultimate cheese board. Why is this the ultimate board?
Well, I'll teach you how to build it, which is really the fundamentals. So you can take any cheese, any cracker, and then you can build upon it. And I actually did something kind of cool.
Okay.
I did it on a plate, a board, and then this is a piece of wax paper. So you don't have to have a board. You can still make like a beautiful spread.
Well, summer is ending, and with Labor Day just around the corner, there's no better time to level up your entertaining game with food boards. From sweet to savory options, chef and culinary stylist Ashton Keefe has us covered. Welcome, Ashton. Good to see you.
Oh my gosh, so happy to be here. We were just bonding about our shared love of food and
in our past cooking experiences.
Crazy.
Okay, you have me at cheese boards because I love cheese and everything else, but you say this is the ultimate cheese board. Why is this the ultimate board?
Well, I'll teach you how to build it, which is really the fundamentals. So you can take any cheese, any cracker, and then you can build upon it. And I actually did something kind of cool.
Okay.
I did it on a plate, a board, and then this is a piece of wax paper. So you don't have to have a board. You can still make like a beautiful spread no matter what you have.
Don't stress over the foundation.
Yeah,
it's what's on top of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you'll see this beautiful cheese board, and we have a 2017 Domaine Carneros Brut Cuvée.
Nice.
You always want to start with little bubbles.
Yes,
35
you do.
bucks. So easy. And then I'm going to show you how to make this. So we each have our plate.
Okay.
We're going to follow the rule of threes.
I'm a faithful follower of the rule of threes.
It's so good. So you're going to do one hard cheese, one blue cheese, and one soft cheese. So just place these cheeses. I'm going to put you to work since now I know you're a proficient chef. And then I'm going to move put the three cheeses around your board just like that. And I cut these up. I like to cut one up just so that it keeps your eye moving. Just like that.
Like different sizes, different shapes. I agree.
So if you've got you could do a round brie or a soft cheese, you could do wedges. So I've got my cheeses.
Okay.
And then what I like to do is add something salty, something sweet, and something crunchy.
Yep.
So we've got a nice mix of all of that here. You can add your meat. I'm totally going to get your hands a little dirty. So you just throw in your meat and fill in these little pockets. You can do some olives in here. And so this is really where you can experiment with whatever your family likes or your crowd likes.
Yep.
It's kind of just a catch-all for whatever is in your fridge. So you don't have to buy anything either. And then I add I've got my sweet right there and some strawberries.
And so I love this rule of threes too, because it's like the sweet, the savory. It's like I do that with other things too. Salads, like a nut, a cheese, and a fruit, right?
Same principles. And then I like to finish with a little bit of something fresh. So you can do honey, you can do herbs. I think this is also a great way to incorporate edible flowers.
So pretty, yes.
This is what makes it goes from like just a ho-hum to extra special and very food style-esque, but you can just stick this right in there. And then this is with Gaslighter Rosé. So this is from the Chicks, 25 bucks. It's a Provence-style rosé, which I think goes really well with cheese.
It really does. I'm loving, this is like what you're calling a grazing board, yes?
This is a grazing board. This is one of the most popular things I'm seeing across like parties and gatherings. And so do you ever go to a farmer's market and you buy all this stuff and you have no idea what to do with it?
I have way too much produce at this point.
So this works as a grazing board. You have forks here. You can also use this as a salad or put it as a centerpiece.
Yeah, I love it as a centerpiece.
Having like guests over or you're grilling, and it's just delicious. Salt, acid, olive oil, and then 2010 Faustino Grand Reserve. Red wine goes right into steaks and anything on the grill.
Well, and the great thing about this too is that if you have like vegetarians coming or vegans coming, like this is the perfect board to do.
Oh my gosh, absolutely. And you've got a little bit of the savory and the sweet here. I have some hummus, tzatziki. You just buy this.
I know, and then you just buy. Thank you.
You
just buy them. I'm going to learn that lesson from you.
Don't be a hero.
I'm always trying to be a hero. I'm like, I'm going to make them all from scratch.
But you don't have to. Just cut up everything. And that looks in and of itself super impressive. No wax paper.
That is a centerpiece right there. You don't even need to buy any flowers. I love it, Ashton. All right, for more tips and recipes, follow Ashton Keefe on Instagram or head to ashtonkeefe.com. Thank you so much. Thanks for lunch.
Thank you.